congratulations on your career best performance yet, Captain Batra. It's an Independence Day weekend. And to me, what I think is more special is how the Batra family has watched and loved your performance.
Wow, so sweet. Thank you. Well, I hope. Yeah, we were when we just had a screening for Captain Vikram Batra's family, and my family was also present there in New Delhi. And as I used to keep saying this, that the only review that I'm really nervous about is Captain Vikram Batra's family's review, because for them it's a very difficult watch, and it's their son's life story. And it was such a special feeling to just be there present. Of course, there were a lot of moist eyes and tissues that were there. But I think one of the most interesting experiences of my life, because I've never been a part of a film which has real people, people who lived in flesh and blood and has family. And I kept saying them, I hope I hope we've done justice. मैं उनको हिंदी में बोल रहा था कि माफ करना अगर कुछ कुछ ऐसा लगा आपको कि हमने कम दिखाया है, ज़्यादा दिखाया है. नहीं 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 बेटा, it was very good, done justice. And the mother was, she's like, I said, I know it must be very difficult for you, auntie. She's like, no, but it again reminds me how proud I am of my real son. You brought back memories, and the reason and the motivation that he passed away. So it was very special. And I think more so when I met Captain Vikram Batra's nieces and nephews, who were much younger, in the late teens or early 20s. They were like, we have never seen our uncle, Captain Vikram Batra. We were too young when he passed away. We've only heard of his heroics on the battlefield. He's like, but this gave us that experience to understand what he did and why he's been so remembered and loved within the family, within the armed forces, and what the sacrifice all the army men that made during the Kargil war. So I think that is something that we were really hoping for, that's to tell the younger generation, who obviously it's been 22 years, there is a massive generation that don't know about Kargil. And when the family's nephews and nieces said that, then it was a very special moment.
Not just for them, but it was a revelation to many of us as well. We knew he was a brave heart. We knew he had done the most daring of tasks, but we didn't know exactly how it went down. But to watch it on screen for the first time, that was quite an experience. And so that you have an immensely likable persona, and I think that's been consistent through your films, and that makes the character even more special, I feel. Of course, you're proud of him, but you also make him likable.
Oh, so sweet. Thank you. I'm so happy and glad that it's coming through. And this is, as I said, it's inherently in his life story. I just needed to be the medium, and to the best of my abilities to give him that story. It's something that I felt so strongly that needed to be told. And for many years, I mean, it's been a long journey of 5 years to finally get this film there. A lot of hands have changed, a lot of teams have changed. Luckily, I've been the only constant, and finally we are here when it's out for the world to see. I'm very graciously accepting, and it's very overwhelming to see all the reviews right now. It's also a new experience to not have a Friday, Saturday, Sunday weekend in box office. So it's all on our mobile phones and social media. But so far, extremely happy. Yeah. Thank you.
You've been a sporty action star, and you've proved it, right from Ek Villain to Brothers to even what, like Student of the Year. You were the fastest. But
Mhm.
this time around, the action must have been different because it came from the heart.
Oh, absolutely. This action in Shersha is not about look at the cool shots or look at my choreography. It had to be as raw and real as possible. So the dust that you see in the film, the bullets that are firing all over, the darts were obviously fake bullets, but the impact of it is equally good. You feel the wind when it's there, passing through, and the rocks that you see are actually real. Nothing in this film is fake. There is no setup in the Kargil portion of the film. If we have fallen down, we have slipped many times. Some of the slips and falling is there in the film. The guns are actual Indian Army INSAS guns. Whether it's our helmet, whether it's our boots, whenever you see us resting on a rock in the film, that's an actual rock behind us, and everywhere around for the whole crew and everyone. So I think This has been a the most toughest action that I had to shoot because of the conditions. We were in Kargil where the oxygen at 12,000, 14,000 feet is much lesser. You get breathless. The wind speed is much harsher. You're consuming dust as you speak. And of course, Kargil being Kargil, that doesn't have any grass or trees to really rest on. So it's pretty much massive rocks and sharp rocks to really be running around. And one more interesting fact is the sound that you hear in the film, my voice,
Hmm.
in the latter half of the film is not being dubbed because I did not want to dub that sound because it had gone tougher, harsher. Throat is dry and bad at that time, and I think that gave a sense of realism to the war portion which we wanted to show to the audience.
So it really makes sense, now that you tell me and deconstruct all these parts, that really makes sense about why I stayed up from midnight till like 2:30 a.m. to watch this film. There was so much that went into it, from your voice to the fact that it was all real. As a viewer, you can't really understand, but now that you tell me, you really get a glimpse into what made it so real.
Oh, I'm
And
so happy. Thank you.
initially, when I saw the trailer, Sid, I have to tell you that, like many people, I was wondering, do we need a love story in a patriotic film? But
Mm.
having watched the film, I really feel that those scenes had a very real quality about them because they were so heartbreaking. These lovers are star-crossed, and somehow, it was Captain Vikram Batra's life. He really did have a sweetheart, Dimple Chima, who's still unmarried, who's still waiting for him, and it really kind of gives you goosebumps through it. You're working with Kiara, the two of you have so many fans. It's going to be a difficult watch for the fans who ship you.
No, I mean, as you said, it was such an important part. It might look from the outside कि यार ये तो एक war film है और love story तो शायद if you don't dive into it, or maybe that doesn't have that impact or affects you. But we know what we were set out to make. The love story of again, the love story part of Captain Vikram Batra's life with Dimple Chima was so special as well. People know him for the heroics. People know him that Captain Vikram Batra Shershah kaise bane, and of course, rightfully so. He's done some amazing things on the battlefield and has an amazing personality and persona there. But his love story makes it equally special, more so because Dimple Chima over the years felt that the love of those few years that she got, unfortunately, with Captain Vikram Batra was enough for a lifetime. She's not moved, she's not gone ahead and married, consciously, and she seems comfortable with it. She seems like she will meet him in another life. It's such a classic oath to an old school romance, which I take great inspiration from. I feel we need more of these love stories. We need more of that in this world today. It's something to learn from. It's something to imbibe. And once people see the film, I'm pretty sure that they do not feel that we've not done justice to the love story parts. And it's not only there for the songs. There is some depth to it. There is something we're trying to say with it. And I'm so happy you felt that, and I'm now looking forward for the rest of the world to watch it.
Well, absolutely. You mentioned the songs, they add real emotion to the story as well. And what was interesting to me is, that scene where you kind of cut your finger and you put the mang, that is apparently from real life. And also the interview that you give is word to word what Captain Vikram Batra said. Some of us have seen that. When he spoke about it, they said, they knew my code name was Shersha, and our boys said, how can the Pakistanis say something like that to us? That was actually something that he had said. So these are all some massive revelations that the film brought. So even though it is so real, it is also equally filmy. Would you agree?
Yes, I think in this case, real life is extremely filmy. That is what it teaches us that in late 90s, there is a boy like Captain Vikram Batra, who grew up in Punjab, Palampur and Punjab University. He fell in love with Dimple, and he did the most romantic, filmy things for her because that was the kind of influence, the pop culture influence that he had at that time. That's what I'm saying. People might think that we've made these moments up, but here's a man who lived it, and didn't shy away from doing these bits. And that's the reason, once you see the film, our attempt, or at least my attempt as an actor, was never to overplay it, because it's already filmy. You don't need to do more than this. कि पता है कि यार मैं अंगूठा काट के मांग भर रहा हूँ, तो it's such a filmy gesture. और चाहे मैं अपने दोस्त को तिरंगा का डायलॉग बोल रहा हूँ कि या तो तिरंगा लहरा के आऊंगा या लिपट के आऊंगा, तो the attempt was to never take you out of the realism, because I feel that will be commercializing it, and I don't think that it was needed. Whether we give it a part real, part documented feel, is what the attempt was. And I'm so happy you're picking all these things up, and happy to hear that you liked it.
It is Independence Day, and it was a special watch because I went to read up on Captain Vikram Batra, and it actually said either I will come back, with the tricolor, or I'll come back, wrapped around it. And he actually said that to Dimple. You say that to your friend. This is something I read and I found out, and I'm sure a lot of viewers are also going to have the kind of experience that I did, watching the film and knowing more about one of our, most like bravest soldiers that ever lived on our soil. Thank you so much, Sid. It was so much fun talking to you. And best of luck and advance congratulations for all the compliments that are going to come your way.
It was so sweet. Thank you so much. I'm so happy that you enjoyed the film and we had this lovely chat. Thank you so much.
It was
Chat to
great
you
to
soon.
connect with you.